Bellwork 21A, Question 3, Part 1. What sequence of transformations can be used to show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle A double prime, B double prime, C double prime? All right, so once again, we see the word similar, and you can tell by the graph that there's two different sizes, so that means a dilation has occurred. And if a dilation occurs, we're going to work backwards. If you haven't picked up on it, it's the same steps on all four of these. We're going to start by finding the scale factor first. So I'm going to use A double prime, C double prime. The length of A double prime, C double prime is 14 units. So the corresponding side would be AC, which is 4 units. So to find my scale factor, I'm going to take 14 divided by 4. Well, if you take 14 divided by 4, it doesn't divide out evenly. So you can either write it as a fraction, but let's go ahead and let's write it as the decimal. So 14 divided by 4 would be 3.5. So our scale factor for question number 3 is 3.5. So now we're going to move on to step 2. Step 2 is to find A prime, B prime, C prime. And again, remember, we are working backwards. So if we work backwards, we're going to use A double prime, B double prime, C double prime, and divide those ordered pairs by the scale factor of 3.5 to find A prime, B prime, C prime. So that's going to look like A prime would be 7 divided by 3.5, 7 divided by 3.5. B prime is 0 divided by 3.5, negative 7 divided by 3.5. And C prime is negative 7 divided by 3.5, 7 divided by 3.5. Go ahead, pause your video, and get all of that written down. Remember, everything that's on here needs to be written down on your paper. All right. So when we take each of these and divide it, I'm going to help you with A prime. So 7 divided by 3.5 is 2. 7 divided by 3.5 is 2. So A prime is at 2, 2. Pause your video, find B prime and C prime. All right, now we are ready to graph this. So A prime is at positive 2, 2, which would be located right here. So this is A prime. Now what you need to do is find B prime, or graph B prime, and graph C prime, connect the 3 points, make sure you're using straight lines, and label them properly. And that is all for part 1 of question number 3. If you have any questions so far for question 3, let me know.